Hello everyone, welcome back to Emstine TV. In today's video, we are going to Ghana. What are we going to see in Ghana? We are going to see a recent development and a recent proposal to improve their ways of getting a land certificate or a land title. They have discovered that there are authorities who manipulate and fraud people concerning land titles when many people do sell one and the same land to different buyers. So they are here now to resolve the problem. How are they here to resolve the problem? They say no need for land certificate or land titles. Land rights in Ghana can be protected by blockchain. That is, they are going to use blockchain in the place of land titles or land certificate. That will be an easier method so that buyers will not be duped day in and day out. Thanks to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best, and thanks for the continued love and support. And if you are new to the family, please do consider subscribing and joining the family, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Land title registration is widely considered as a great way to ensure land rights and available lands for socio-economic development. Opportunity to use land title registration to spur socio-economic transformation in Ghana, however, remains a mirage. Some chiefs and corrupt land administrators in the country have captured the current process of land titling, milking it for private gains and enormous public costs. Some chiefs demand as high as 1/3 of the value of lands bought in their jurisdiction before endorsing key documents such as indentures needed for acquiring land titles or certificates. The high fees dissuade most land buyers from taking the appropriate steps to formalize their rights after buying them. Even in cases where land buyers follow through with the title registration process to the letter, there are some evidence that title documents are manipulated or tampered with at the land secretariat. Successive government and international bodies, including the World Bank, have spent millions of dollars to improve Ghana's land administration with little success. The continuing result of this is that land records in the country don't reflect the reality. Land that's already sold can misleadingly be captured in the Land Commission's record as available or vacant. That is, they will sell a land and it is showing in the record that it is vacant or it is available for sale, of which it has already been sold to many people. This creates room for unscrupulous land dealings, including multiple sale purchase of the same land, leading to incessant violent conflicts, especially in the cities where lands are very hot commodities. Several parcels of land in Ghana are unavailable for development due to ownership challenges. To address this problem, we have designed a blockchain-enabled framework for land acquisition, which, if built and implemented, will make the need for land certificate or land titling completely unnecessary in Ghana. It could avail landowners adequate security of tenure even if they do not register their lands with the Lands Commission, or if their lands are deregistered from Commission's record. The framework offers a less cumbersome, less costly, and less corruption-laden but highly efficient mechanism for securing land rights. So what is blockchain and how is it going to help Ghana to solve land titles problem, land certificate problems, so that buyers can free from the hand of dubious dealers of land? Here is the blockchain technology, as they explain, that is going to save Ghana. Blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. It helps to record information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat. Blockchain has become more widely known due to its use in Bitcoin, but the technology can be put to many different uses, such as the one we are proposing around land acquisition in Ghana. For this to be possible, Ghana will need to first build a blockchain-enabled land register. Refreshingly, efforts are underway toward digitizing land record in the country. All that needs to be done is for the blockchain technology to be layered onto the ongoing land digitization to create a blockchain-enabled land register. The register could contain information such as locations, coordinates, and boundaries of lands, names of the caretaker, chiefs, or queen mothers, details of existing allocations notes or title holders such as their contact details, phone numbers and emails, and other legal interests attached to specific lands. Blockchain enable land sale and purchase at work. So currently, if someone wants to buy a land in Ghana, they contact the owner, who may be a chief, queen mother, or a private person. After paying the agreed upon price, the owner gives the relevant document such as land allocation note to the buyer to begin the title or deed registration process. The problem with the current land sale and purchase process is that it is done offline. This means that after buying the land, if the owner is unable to pay and obtain an indenture from the relevant chief or register it with the Lands Commission, there is no way third party can verify the status of the land, whether it's been sold and to whom. Second, the current system of title registration does not have a blockchain feature. The reason corrupt public officials could manipulate land records. An online blockchain-enabled process of land acquisition will address all these problems. Blockchain is going to solve all the problems of land manipulation in Ghana. In the first stage of the land acquisition, the potential buyer or purported landowner might initiate the purchase or sale of the land on the offline blockchain-enabled land acquisition platform. And since the platform will contain the contact details such as phone numbers and emails of those who have interest in the land, the system will automatically notify them that someone wants to sell or buy their land in stage 2. This will help solve one major source of land conflict in Ghana: unilaterally sale of lands owned by multiple parties. In stage 3, if the person who initiated the transaction was not the true owner or sole owner, the appropriate interested parties notified about the transaction in stage 2 will have the opportunity to dispute and hold the transaction. The process revert to stage 2 for resolution. If approved, the transaction will proceed to stage 4, where a smart contract, a sale document, land allocation note will be issued as proof of transaction or transfer of the land. No need for land certificate and titles. Being an online platform, the transaction record generated on the blockchain-enabled land acquisition framework will be publicly accessible to everyone. Therefore, potential land buyers could easily verify the status of lands by just logging onto the platform to see whether the land they want to acquire has been sold already or not, or whether the person trying to sell it to them is the true or sole owner. Also, blockchain records are tamper-proof and therefore can be manipulated. Viewed this way, a blockchain-enabled land acquisition framework could kill two birds in Ghana with one stone. So, blockchain can equally kill two birds with only one stone. It could eliminate potential for multiple sale of same lands even when people do not or refuse to register their lands with the Lands Commission, or when their land records are deregistered from the Commission database. Failure to acquire land title certificate or transpiring with land title certificate at land secretariat will have no material effect on land tenure security. The reason is simple. The permanent tamper-proof sale and purchase record captured on the blockchain system will always show the details of landowners, when they bought their lands and from whom, including the details of witnesses to the transaction as well as the terms and conditions under which they bought the land. Landowners will not need land certificate or the document to prove any of the above important elements that ensure land tenure security. This will help sanitize the land market. It will remove any incentive to bribe public officials to manipulate land titles. Also, people who cannot afford costly indentures, and other documents needed for acquiring land titles certificate will still have their lands protected. They cannot be resold. The framework is based on Ghana's experience. Nonetheless, it could be usefully adapted to solve land tenure problems in other African countries. We hope the relevant stakeholders in Ghana and other African countries similarly situated will take the necessary steps to implement the ideas of improved land administration, the country and the continent as a whole. Thanks so much for watching. That is it. They are trying to change the system of land purchase in Ghana because they have come to realize that there are different personalities and different land dealers who tend to fake lands and steal money from buyers in terms of selling it to multiple buyers. So what do you think about this video? What is your own opinion about this video? Share it in the comment section, as everybody points of views are always and highly appreciated. Till next video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Share the video as well. Till